Welcome to the first TmoleX tutorial. To begin, just start TmoleX. If started for the first time, please just create a new project. Select a directory to store the input to, or accept the suggested location in your home directory. A new and empty job will be generated. You can see that the geometry part is red, no coordinates, no structure yet. First thing to do is to get a molecule into TmoleX. You can import a molecule from File, or build a structure in the 3D Builder, or in the 2D Builder, or enter a Smiles code in here, and click on Smiles to 3D. Let's start with the built-in 3D molecular builder. There are many ways and possibilities to draw a structure. Here we try the most simple one, atom by atom. To learn more about the builder, please watch part 2 of the video tutorial. It shows how this tool can be used in an efficient way. The geometry part of the input is done. The list of atoms is shown in the table. There are again several ways to tell TmoleX what you want to do. Fastest route is probably to use a predefined job template. So, everything is prepared now. Let's start the job. It is a geometry optimization, at DFT level. You do not have to wait for the job to be finished, but progress can be visualized. Done. The results panel is now accessible and shown by default. The results section is divided into status and convergence behavior. Important results, ready for copy and paste. Buttons which open graphical visualization tools. Buttons which open files or spectra visualization. Click on the gradients button to open the gradient view. You can see each step of the optimization. Click on a certain step to view its structure. Now we have an optimized structure. Next step could be to run a vibrational mode analysis. Just start the new job. Starting a new job from existing results generates a new job in the job list. No old results will be lost or overwritten. While the job is running, let's visualize some orbitals of the previous, finished job. Generate plot data for HOMO and LUMO by clicking on the corresponding button. After the green check appears, click on it to visualize the orbital. Change the ISO value to change the shape of the surface. Now back to the frequency job. Click on Vibrations to open the visualization of the modes. Select a mode, and click on Play or the Play button. You can control the view, use the slider, or the buttons. Once you have frequencies, thermochemical properties can quickly be calculated. The IR spectrum is available too. There are various options to change the visualization. Thank you for watching this TmoleX introduction. To learn more, just watch the other videos of this tutorial.